Hello from the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over the new Arlo AI detection features, and in this video we will cover fire detection. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out more about person recognition, vehicle recognition, and custom detection. Let's get started. Fire detection provides alerts when your Arlo camera detects flames. This is a feature of the smart notifications gained from the new Arlo Secure plans. When the feature is toggled on and a fire is detected, the app will send a notification informing you that fire may have been detected. Recordings will also then have a special fire label in the feed. Feel secure with alerts in case of danger. To manage the detection, from the Arlo app, select the profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, select your location under Location and Plans, and then tap on Smart Detection. From here, choose the device you want to manage the feature on, and next, you will have the option to toggle the feature on and off. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Arlo app and AI features.